Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about the Take It Serious game. Today I want to present to you the overlay system that you can find on the bottom left of your screen here. This will help you manage the city better by providing you information about the systems of the game for the whole city. Clicking on it, it will display 20 different icons showing 20 different subsystems of the city. The first one is showing the energy, and you can see at a glance thanks to the different colors and the legend here, where you have low energy, medium energy and high energy in the city. The legend also displays how much is produced and consumed and how much of the city is covered. In the pollution tab you can see where the ground, air and water pollution happens. This gives you the map of the wind, where they are set and where you should put your wind turbines. Communications is going to show you where the internet is connected and which buildings are lacking the service. Same goes for the cell phone and the landline overlays. This gives us the health levels across the city, the average value and which buildings are producing the health service or actively decreasing health. Police coverage shows you which areas of the city are covered by the police service and which buildings are generating it. Then we have education, which shows in blue the education providers and how educated the population is. Fire protection is going to display how much of the city is protected against fires. City revenues will show you how much revenue is generated by your buildings, and you have a detailed breakdown of the commercial, industrial and other types of revenues. Maintenance is also an important tab because it helps you understand how much a building costs to maintain, and you can see detailed information about the commercial, industrial and other buildings. Population shows you how the population is distributed in the city. Happiness shows the happiness levels of the entire map. Structural integrity is allowing us to see at a glance if some buildings are damaged or not. Water reserves shows the underground water levels and which areas are suitable to place your water pumps. Arable lands shows which areas of the map are suitable for your farms. Water pipes displays the water pipe network which is responsible for providing water to your buildings. The food tab shows the producers and consumers of raw food and processed food. The disaster protection tab shows the areas of the city that are covered by disaster awareness and disaster protection buildings. Upgrades is displaying the upgrade level of each building on the map so you can see at a glance the state of your town. And finally, soil properties shows the fault lines of the map so you can determine which areas are safer against an earthquake, and the soil resistance of the map that will help you find safer areas against floods. Thank you very much for your attention and I hope you will have fun playing the game. Goodbye.